Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reassemble a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Okay, so first I'm going to take it apart just one piece at a time. And as soon as I take a few apart, I can just take the rest apart really easy. Just like that. Okay, so now I'm also going to take all these caps off. Okay, so now we're gonna start off. So now we have the core. So the first thing we want to do is put the caps back on. So, and I want to make sure I put the caps on in order. And I know the color scheme, but I also have another 3x3 right here to show you how they go. So we have white, and then green, orange, blue, red, and then yellow. So since I put white here, I can put any other color I want here that's not yellow. I'll probably just put yellow on the opposite side first, so I don't mistake yellow with any of these other colors. Or so I don't put yellow on any of these sides on accident. Okay, so now I got white and yellow. So now I can just put any color I want right here. So I'm going to put blue. And so now red needs to go here. And orange needs to go here. Because we have blue and then red, orange. So I'm going to put the red right here. And the orange right here. And then last one is green. So I can put green right there. And that's the first step to reassembling it. The next step is I want to assemble the white cross. So I'm going to kind of assemble it just like solving a 3x3, but I'm going to assemble it layer by layer, so it's a little bit different than how I would solve it. So I'm going to start by looking for white edges. So this edges have two pieces, and I need the white and orange edge right there. And once I get one edge right here, I'm just going to set the core down like that. And now I have the white and green edge. And so I'm going to put it right in here, just like that. And then I have a red edge, white and red. So I'm going to put it underneath the red and next to the white, just like that. And I want to be careful when I pick this up because they can easily, you have to be really careful because they can easily just like fall apart. The edges can easily just fall off. So now I'm going to slide the blue and white edge right in here, just like that. And now I have the white cross. So now I want to solve, or now I need to assemble all the white corners, the corners on the bottom. So this corner is white and then it is blue and red. I want to make sure I'm putting the white side on the bottom. So I'm going to put it right down in here. And, by the way, this is what a corner twist is. So that's what a corner twist looks like on the inside of a cube. But, yeah, there we go. So, now I have that first white piece on there. I don't want to break the cube trying to assemble it, but now I have white, blue, and orange. So it's going to go in between the blue and orange side. And I want to make sure white goes on the bottom, just like that. Okay, and then now I have white, green, and red, so I'm going to put this one down here, just like that. And then I have white, green, and orange, so I can put this one down here. And now I have the first layer assembled. Now I'm going to assemble the second layer. So I'm going to look for edges, not corners, but edges, like that, without yellow on them. So now I have a red and blue edge. So I'm going to put it to where it's connecting to red and blue, just like that. And now I'm going to put the green edge, the green and orange edge on right here. And then I have green and red now, so I can put this one right here. And then blue and orange goes right here. Now I need to assemble the yellow cross, but I need to make sure all the colors are matching, just like on the white. So now I have red and yellow, so this is going to go on the red side right here. And then green and yellow will go on the green side, like that. And then orange and yellow will go right in here. And then blue and yellow can go right in here. Just like that. And now I have the yellow cross, so all I need is the corners. So I'm going to start with this corner. This one's red and blue and yellow, so it's going to go on the red, blue, and yellow side. Just like that. Make sure all the colors are facing. You don't want anything like that. So I want to make sure all the colors are in the right place. Now I have blue and yellow and orange. So this one goes right here because that's where blue, yellow, and orange is. And then red, green, and yellow will go right here. And for the last corner, now this one could be hard to get in. Sometimes it's easy, but sometimes it's hard. It depends on what cube it is and what type of cube, and like how tight it is. This is a Chi 3x3, and you can take it apart and reassemble it very easily. So that I kind of like it because it's really easy to assemble. So I can just put this one right in here, and now I have it reassembled. And now, to avoid pops like that, one thing you can do is if it's too loose, you should just get a screwdriver and tighten all the pieces up. And I can't show you that right now, but that's like after you assemble it, you should just like tighten all the pieces up if it's too loose, so it doesn't break again and you don't have to start all over. Okay, so that's the end of this video, and I hope you found out how to reassemble your cube if it falls apart or something, and I will see you in the next video.